tired of spending your precious time cleaning? Imagine coming home to perfectly clean floors every single day without lifting a finger. This isn't the future. It's right here. Meet the next generation of home cleaning. With powerful suction, it effortlessly tackles everything from stubborn pet hair to fine dust you can barely see. Its advanced LiDAR mapping and smart sensors allow it to navigate your home with incredible precision, gliding around furniture and reaching every corner. It doesn't just clean, it cleans intelligently, and the best part, when its job is done, it automatically returns to its dock to recharge, always ready for the next task. This is more than just a vacuum, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Reclaim your time and enjoy a consistently spotless home. Discover the future of clean bags for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart home innovations.